Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to insert date from a calendar in Google Sheets. Why would you want to know how to insert date from a calendar in Google Sheets? Well, maybe you are new to Google Sheets. So today I'm going to show you how to insert date from a calendar in Google Sheets. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, here double click, open a calendar, we can enter a date from it, like 8, 9, 10, okay 9, 10. Now double click here, it's empty. Okay, let's work with this. Select some cells to fill with what we want. Okay, go to that and that validation. Okay, added rule. Now criteria is valid date. Click on it. Okay, now if the date is valid, reject the input and press done. Close it. Now double click on the cell. It's open the calendar. You can press on the date to enter it. That easy, guys. There you go. If you want to know how to insert date from a calendar in Google Sheets, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.